Society is teaching us that it's a outside in game, that we need to have the things outside of us, the trappings, quote unquote, of success, so that our inner world is happy. Our outer world, we need to get the house, the car, the marriage, the kids, the this, the job, the career, the education, the degree. And then things are going to be okay in here. Then we spend all this time accumulating all these things, and we realize that hasn't changed a lot in here. That's why even Jim Carrey says, I wish everyone could just have $1 million so they would realize that being a millionaire isn't going to be what makes them happy. So they would know that. It is really, our outer world is a reflection of our inner world. It's an inside out game. So when we start changing our inner world and facing off with these things and creating harmony inside here, it's reflected in our outer world. That's when the things around us start changing. That's when we can have that level of success. If we want to grow to a certain level of success, do we even have the nervous system or the energetic body to hold everything we want to call in? We have to have those resilience practices. We have to be able to hold all that and bring all that in, but it all starts here. It's an inside out game. So I love helping people let go of shame and fear and limiting beliefs and change this inner world so they can start having this co-creation with their outer world and realize how powerful they are to create their reality. Stop being in survival mode and victim like I used to be, and being it where you're thriving and you're co-creating with the universe, with source, or the higher spirit, this that you believe in.